See you later.
Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
I just finished a meeting with the committee and I'm gonna get ready and I have to leave in about an hour. So right now I'm just watching some variety shows. I'll be heading out to look for some cups. Looks like a champagne cup, but then it's shorter, like a square, where I can eat my yogurt in. And in the evening I have a beach party, so yes, it's gonna be a fun day. And I'm not so sure what to wear yet, so I'm still deciding. Not so sure. On my way to Vivo. See you later.
If you could read my mind.